Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we will going to discuss some interesting GK questions. So let's start. First question. From where did the first train run in India? Answer. Bombay to Thane. Ghumar is a traditional folk dance of which Indian state? Answer. Rajasthan. Gir National Park in Gujarat is famous for? Answer. Lions. Great Pyramid of Giza is located in which country? Answer. Egypt. GST first introduced in which country? Answer. France. Hirakud Dam is built across which river in India? Answer. Mahanadi. How does the outer sky look to astronauts from space? Answer. Black. Which country in the world has highest number of dams? Answer. United States. The first country to issue paper currency. Answer. China. Europe and Africa are separated by which sea? Answer. Mediterranean Sea. Chanakya was the chief advisor of which ruler in India? Answer. Chandragupta Maurya. Charminar is located in which city? Answer. Hyderabad. Cinnabar is the ore of which metal? Answer. Mercury. During the boycott of the Simon Commission, which leader died of lathi charge? Answer. Lala Lajpat Rai. During whose reign Maratha power was the highest peak and power? Answer. Balaji Bajirao. Europa is a satellite of which planet? Answer. Jupiter. In which field is the Kalinga Award given by UNESCO? Answer. In science. Former Indian Prime Minister who received both Bharat Ratna and Nishane-Pakistan. Answer. Morarji Desai. Full form of GDP is? Answer. Gross Domestic Product. Ganymede is a satellite of which planet? Answer. Jupiter. Which is the national dance form of India? Please comment this answer in the comment box and subscribe my channel to watch the latest videos.